Hi friends, my name is Rohan Chandra. Today a big rally in Adani stocks. After many days, all Adani shares rallied today. The different shares were up between 5 to 20% today. You may be wondering why there is such a huge rally suddenly. The following are the developments. SEBI informed Supreme Court on Friday that it does not require additional time to complete its investigation into Adani Hindenburg matter. Out of the 24 cases related to Hindenburg issue, 22 have already been resolved by SEBI, and the remaining aspects of the investigation depend on data from foreign regulatory bodies. The Supreme Court, in its hearing, reserved its verdict on the batch of public interest litigations seeking a court-monitored investigation into allegations made by US-based short-selling firm Hindenburg Research against the Adani Group regarding violations of stock market regulations. The Hindenburg report had accused Adani Group of accounting fraud, stock manipulation, and so many other things which were wrong as per the law. Supreme Court has said that there is no reason to believe the Hindenburg report is the truth. SEBI's investigation will come out with their findings, and accordingly everybody will know how much truth was there regarding allegations made by the Hindenburg report. It said that SEBI cannot take any action against Adani Group or any company based on media reports. The hearings from both parties regarding this case has been presented in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has not yet passed its judgment and will pass a judgment only after internal discussion among the judges. As per speculation, the Supreme Court is likely to ask SEBI for further information before passing any judgment. So this has been perceived by various investors that SEBI may not have found any major wrongdoing or breaking of laws by Adani Group, and hence the rally. As of now, the rally is only because of sentimental reasons. No conclusive announcement has been made regarding the ongoing court case. I am summarizing the share movements of Adani Group shares today. Adani Enterprises 8.9% up, Adani Green Energy 12.25% up, Adani Ports 5.3% up, Adani Power 12.34% up, Adani Total Gas 19.97% up, Adani Energy Solutions 18.65% up, Adani Wilmar 9.94% up, ACC 2.66% up, Ambuja Cements 4.08% up, NDTV 12.12% up. Most of the stocks are closer to the 52-week low compared to the 52-week high, but it all depends on the Supreme Court judgment, and if there is a clarity on that, then the movement can be positive or negative depending on that. So as I said, today's rally was based on sentimental reasons, but once a judgment of this is declared by the Supreme Court, then there could be a lot of volatility in Adani Group shares, and there could be significant movement in the shares. We need to wait and watch when the judgment will come, and then we need to see the impact of that on the Adani Group shares. In fact, when Adani Group shares move very heavily, then there is an impact on the index as well. Even today, Nifty was high only because of Adani Group shares, and Sensex was actually lower. But finally, Nifty and Sensex both closed positive today. If you like this video, please click the like button. And what is your expectation of Supreme Court judgment? A. No wrongdoing by Adani Group. This is what the judgment will say. B. Some amount of wrongdoing by Adani Group. C. Hindenburg allegations mostly true. That means Supreme Court may say Adani Group has done a lot of mistakes. D. Any other findings. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.